I've been exploring the Reface AI mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Reface is a face swap and AI photo app designed for people who like making playful, shareable content for social media and messaging. It leans more toward casual fun than serious photo editing. Its main draw is one-tap face swaps into short clips, memes, and character images, so you can quickly create joke videos or reactions. The app also offers AI singing and animation, hairstyle and hair color try-ons, gender and age filters, and trendy AI avatars, all aimed at giving you eye-catching visuals without much effort. On the positive side, Reface holds an impressive rating of about 4.8 out of 5 from a very large number of reviews, which hints that most users enjoy the results and find the interface straightforward. Many people praise the creativity of the effects and appreciate that new content and updates keep the experience feeling fresh. However, it is not without flaws. Some users say recent updates weaken certain filters, with face swaps feeling less accurate or flattering than before, and a few complain about crashes or trouble loading personal GIFs. Others feel that too many effects are locked behind subscriptions or in-app purchases, so heavy use can become pricey. Because the app relies on selfies and personal photos, it is also important to be comfortable with an AI service processing your face and creations and to understand how your data might be used. If you value quick, fun edits and do not mind potential glitches or paying for extra effects, Reface can be a solid choice. If you are more cautious about data or ongoing costs, it may be wiser to test the free options first and see if it truly fits your style. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.